Hello students, welcome to mathematics class. Students, this is part 5 of the chapter Exponents and Powers. In this part 5, we will solve the questions from exercise 12.2. Coming to the question number 1. In this main question number 1, we have got sub questions 5 in number. We will solve each of them. Express the following numbers in standard form. So coming to the first one, it has got 0 point after decimal point 6, 9, 11. So 11 zeros are there. So when there are 11 zeros, obviously I can say we will convert it into the standard form 10 raised to the power, taking one more than that, so minus 12, because point has to shift from here 11 times, but it is 0.85 only. If I shift one more time, then it becomes 8.5, where standard form says here k should be a number more than 1 or equal to 1, less than 10. So 8.5 into 10 to the power minus 12 is the standard form of this number, very small number. Then coming to the second one, 0 point. Here after 0 point, decimal point, I have 3, 6, 9 and 2 more. That means again here after decimal point we have 11 zeros are there, 9, 4, 2. So this becomes 9.42 into 10 to the power minus 12 only. Then in the third one, it's a very big number after number 602. So this is a very huge number having 13 zeros after 602. That means from here the decimal point should shift to this place. That means 13 zeros along with 0 and 2. So it has to shift for 15 times. So in standard form this number is 6.02 into 10 to the power 15. Then coming to the question number 4, 0 point, 3 zeros, 6 zeros and 2 zeros. That means 8 zeros are there between the non-zero decimal number or decimal digit 8 and decimal point. So we have 8.37 into 10 to the power, because of 8 zeros it becomes power as minus 9. Then coming to the fifth question, 3186, we have 3 zeros, 6 and 7 zeros are there, where total we have got 7 zeros and 4 digits, 11 digits are there. So I can write this as 3.186 into 10 to the power 10, because of the 11 digits, 1 less than 11 digits becomes 10, or the decimal point has to shift for 7 zeros up to here and 8, 9, 10. So 3.186 into 10 to the power 10. Now coming to the question number 2. In main question number 2, there are 6 sub questions. In these 6 sub questions, express the following numbers in usual form. So now converting from standard form to usual form. 3.02 into 10 power minus 6, it means I have between decimal point and 3 non-zero decimal digit 3, we have 5 zeros. So that's how we can write in usual form. Then coming to the question number 2, 4.5 into 10 power 4, that means 4.5 is multiplied by 10,000, where 5 this point will shift from that place to towards right. We have total 45,000 being the answer. If you want, you can check decimal point has shifted from here once, twice, thrice, 4 times. So power number of times. So coming to the fourth question, 3 into 10 power minus 8, that means 3 by 10 power 8. So between decimal point and 3 there are 7 zeros, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So then only the point will shift to here to have 10 power minus 8. Power of 10 will decide how many zeros are there between decimal point and the non-zero decimal digit. Now coming to the 1.301 into 10 power 9, it is nothing but, first I am shifting from here to here. To do that, I have used 10 to the power 4. Now it is left over with 10 power 5. Why? Because once, twice, thrice, 4 times I have shifted. So 10 power 9, where it is written as 10 power 4 into 10 power 5, that 10 power 4 makes this number as free of that decimal point. It will bring to here. Maybe you can write it as 10,001 into 10 power 5. Now 10,001 into 10 power 5, it is 10001, and after that we have to put 5 zeros for the sake of 10 to the power 5. Now you can cross check how many zeros are there after the last decimal, rightmost decimal digit. So 5 zeros for the sake of 10 power 5. Now total number of digits here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 digits are there in this number. It's a very large number. Amongst these 10 digits, 1 less than becomes the power of this 10. Next, coming to the 5.8 into 10 power 12. That means 5.58, and I am writing total 3, 3, 3 and 1. So you can cross check. I have written 10 zeros. Why I have written 10 zeros means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I need one more 0. So when there are 13 zeros, 13 digits, 1 less than that can be the power of 10. So there are 13 digits in it. There are 13 digits. So 1 less than 13 becomes the power of 10. Coming to the question number 6, 3.61492 into 10 power 6. So this point will shift 1, 2, once, twice, thrice, 4 times, 5 times. So it becomes 3.61492, and we need one more 0. So it becomes 3,000,000 614,920. So if you see, there are 7 digits, so the power of 10 is 6. Coming to the question number 3. In the main question number 3, there are 5 sub questions. In this 5 sub questions, express the number appearing in the following statement in standard form. 1 micron is equals to 1 upon, you have here 10 lakh, where it is nothing but 1 upon 10 power, so 6 zeros, so 10 power 6 meter. It is nothing but 10 power minus 6 meter. In standard form, it is written as 1 into 10 power minus 6. There is nothing means we can write it as 1 into. Then coming to the second one, charge of an electron is 0 point. After 0 we have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 3 is 18 zeros and 1 6. So if you are writing in standard form, 1.6 into 10 power 18 zeros are there, that means minus 19 coulomb will be the standard form of that second one. In third question, size of the bacteria, you have got 0 point, after 0, 3 and 3, total 6 zeros are there, which means it can be written as 5 into 10 to the power minus 7. Next, size of a plant cell is given as in fourth question, where after decimal point there are 4 zeros and 1275, 1275, where 1.275 into 10 power minus 5 will be the standard form. In the question number 5, thickness of a thick paper is given as 0.07 millimeter. If I convert it into the standard form, it becomes 7 into 10 power minus 2 millimeter will be the thickness of a paper. So coming to the question number 4. In the question number 4, in a stack there are 5 books, each of thickness 20 mm, and 5 paper sheets, each of thickness 0.016 mm. What is the total thickness? See children, when you are solving this question, in a stack there are 5 books. So each of thickness 20 mm. So thickness of one book is 20 mm. Therefore, thickness of 5 books is 5 into 20 mm. That means 100 millimeter. Along with them, 5 paper sheets are there. So thickness of one paper sheet, which is 0.016 millimeter, and therefore thickness of 5 such paper sheets will become 5 into 0.016 millimeter. If you multiply, it becomes 16 5s are 80, and here after point there are 3 decimal places, so there must be 3 decimal places, so 0.08 millimeter. So 5 books thickness and 5 paper sheets thickness together we have got. Therefore, total thickness. So total thickness will be 100 plus 0.08 millimeter. That means it is 100.08 millimeter, but it is not in standard form. If you want to write it in standard form, 1.0008 into 10 power. So, point I am shifting from here to once twice. So, 10 square will become the power of 10 is 2, and it will become the standard form of the answer. So, this is the answer, 1.0008 into 10 power 2 millimeter is the answer. So, with this I have completed all the questions from the exercise 12.2 also. With this I have completed even this chapter, exponents and powers. Wishing you good luck for your upcoming monthly test, for which factorization and exponents and powers chapter is included. Study well, solve each and every question of the textbook, including examples and exercise questions. Apart from this, solve questions from the example problems of these two chapters for your better performance in the monthly test. Wishing you good luck. Take care of yourself. Jai Hind. Thank you.